Hey traders, updating us middle of the week, especially after NVIDIA reported. This is Wednesday, the 20th. The market's closed. NVIDIA has reported. Here's where we stand. You're looking at the SPX after the action from today. This is the second day in a row where the market has a pretty severe down open, and then it recovers miraculously into a strong close. Although today the close was flat-ish, green to red, depends on which index you're looking at, nowhere near the explosiveness of yesterday's rebound. Nevertheless, we were towards the upper ends of the forecast, and those are the purple boxes. Let me zoom in so you can see it. This is the box for Wednesday. We are at the upper edge. So we're basically making money as a collective for the market makers. As long as we ping pong inside these boxes, they make money off of us. The collective buys and sells puts and panics this way, panics the other way, and they get fat off of us. Luckily, we know what's going on, and we're not playing into their hand. So that's why it's important to stay tuned to the updates and be ready with the forecasts on Sunday night and every morning. What's for tomorrow? Okay, we can flip over to those who reported overnight. The upper left-hand corner is NVIDIA. I'll zoom in on it. It reported, I haven't read the report, but skimmed the results. They're not bad. However, they are somewhat disappointed to a slightly down reaction, which is no big deal. It's about expectations, not about the quality of the results themselves. How will this impact the market? It will probably put a little drag at the open, but we just saw the market rebounds. So not a lot of upside help for the bulls. Maybe some downside pressure tomorrow, especially for the QQQ. It depends on which other stocks follow it lower. Other reports came out. Palo Alto Networks, it's taking it on the chin the worst. I believe they announced a split coming 2-for-1. Immaterial to me, but the market might like that eventually. Maybe this is one of the ones we will buy the dip. More on that tomorrow. Snowflake is the winner. Huge reaction to the upside. I don't believe the market was ready for that big a move. The forecast for tomorrow looks a little bit rainy in the morning, at least the overnight session. I'm looking at the futures. The futures on the S&P are down 0.3%. On the NASDAQ, they're down just a tick more. And on the small caps, they're down a little bit less. So some bids are probably going to go into the small caps. If they panic out of the QQQ tomorrow, they might buy some of the IWM. Stay tuned. I will have more updates in the morning.